How to do connection of this board to these wires. Main these wires are switch wires and power wires. This is neutral and phase earth point, and this all switch wires. And also we have to do regulator connection and all switch connections. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. And guys, you have to connect positive points here, 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 and here and here. Let's connect. And guys, I did full phase connection, and here, 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 and here. I didn't did here connection, and this is a fan regulator, you can see. And I will tell another trick, popular trick. And after take wire and connect this point to this point, phase to switch. Take one wire, keep it here. And guys, I added some wire. I don't have any tape to use. Take this wire, keep downside of this switch. And another wire you have to use in this. And guys, fully connection of board is done. And guys, you have to find the main positive, main line. This is the main line. We have to keep here. And now positive point is completed. And find, now we will keep earth. And find negative. This is a negative point. We have to connect to this. We connected all negative, positive, and ground. And we will find switch points. First we will find fan wire. This is a fan wire, you can see. Keep in this side. And guys, fan wire also completed. This is a light wire. And keep in this side, or here, or here, here, your wish. And connect. And take another switch wire. I will take this. And take another switch wire. I remove this. Only we have this wire. and we will do screwing. And guys, the switchboard connection was fully done, and let's do testing. Guys, I have this light. I will test. See, light is working perfectly. And thank you for watching my video. I don't have any fan and any lights to turn on.